Hello everyone, good evening. So in previous video we had a discussion of email and how to create a Gmail account from the Google. Now in this video we are going to learn how to sign in and sign out of our Google account or Gmail. See how to sign in or sign out. See, sign in is nothing but we are going to enter into the Gmail account. See how we are going to enter by using a particular username and password. So username and password while creating the Gmail account I already explained. These are the login credentials for our Gmail account. So there are so many persons or so many people they will be using Gmail account, so that each and every person will be having their login credentials in that username. The person who is going to use, we are going to call it as username and password to enter into the particular Gmail account. By using these login credentials, we are going to enter into the Gmail account that is called sign in. And sign out is nothing but safely we are coming out of or safely we are exiting from our Gmail account. In this video, we are going to learn how to sign in and how to sign out. See, sign in is safely we are going to enter into the Gmail account, and sign out is safely we are exiting from our Gmail account. See, now here we are going to launch the web browser, Google Chrome, or any web browser what we are going to use. You can launch. Here I am going to use the web browser Google Chrome. See, here you can see there is a Google Chrome web browser. Here I am going to launch the web browser Google Chrome. Once I click onto the web browser, the home page of the Google is going to be appear like this. As we already discussed in a previous video, in the right side there is a Gmail, or else an address bar also we can enter www.gmail.com. Directly the website name www.gmail.com. See, once if we enter www.gmail.com, directly the home page of the Gmail is going to be open. Now let us enter www.gmail.com here in the address bar www.gmail.com. Okay, as soon as I enter, click on enter or search. Okay, now the Gmail home page is going to be appear here. So I already have added some accounts, so it is going to display some of the accounts on the display. Just I'll remove. Okay, now as soon we click onto the Gmail www.gmail.com, the interface is going to be open like this. That is sign in. Sign in is nothing but we are going to enter into the Gmail account by using username and the passwords. Okay, here we have already created, so it is going to ask email. See, email or phone. See, suppose username whatever you have given or phone number, by giving phone number also you can create account. So it will ask here email or phone. So here I am going to give my email that what we have created in the previous video. Just I'll enter kanfinity 2 at gmail.com. See, this is my username. By using this username, I have created my Gmail account. That is kanfinity2 at gmail.com. This is kanfinity2 is the username and Gmail is the domain name. See, this is username and Gmail is the domain name. And the symbol at is going to separate both username and domain name in the email address. See, this is nothing but identification of the person and identification of the domain. That means from where we are getting email facility. Now I have entered my username, that is kanfinity2 at gmail.com. Once I provide the username, click on next. See, as soon we click on to the next, it is going to ask the password. See, as we discussed already, the password should be strong password. The strong password is nothing but mixed password. That means uppercase, lowercase and numbers and also special characters. By this combination, if we give, the password will be strong. That means unauthorized persons cannot access easily or they cannot get easily passwords of ours. So always we are going to recommend to keep strong password for your Gmail accounts. So here I have already set the password. Here I am going to enter my password. I have set strong password only with the mixed passwords. Once I provide the password, click on next. See, as soon you provide the password, directly we are going to enter into the Gmail account. See here you can see the default view will be inbox. Directly as soon we provide the username and the password, directly the interface inbox is going to be open onto the screen. See now one procedure we have completed, that is sign in. We have successfully signed in our account by using username and the password. That's all. Now another one is sign out. I hope you have understood how to sign in our Google account by using username and the password. Now, the other one is how to log out or sign out. The sign out or log out is nothing but we are safely exiting from our Google account. Safely exit. See how we are going to exit by using, here you can see on the right corner there is a symbol K. Means the username, whatever the username we will give, depending on that the Gmail is going to be had the first letter of profile picture. First name it is going to display as a profile picture. Select the profile picture or profile letter where it is going to display. Here you can see click on K, means whatever the profile, whatever the name you will give, that letter is going to display. Click on that. Then under that there is a sign in option. Sorry, sign out. See, under that there is a sign out. Here you can see there is a sign out option. Once I click on to the sign out, safely the Gmail is going to be closed. See, again we will come back the home page of the Google. So in this way we are going to sign in and sign out of our Google account. I hope in this video you have clearly understood how to sign in and sign out of our Gmail accounts. Thank you.